Have you ever found yourself in the produce section gazing at two mounds of onions, one red, one white, and suddenly questioning which variety you're actually supposed to select? You're definitely not the only one. Most shoppers grab whichever appears recognizable or whatever their family traditionally used in cooking. But surprisingly, the distinction between red and white onions extends far beyond simple coloration. Is it just aesthetic preference, a matter of availability, or do these varieties possess fundamentally different properties that affect your cooking? We're going to examine every difference right here on Stories Behind Everything. Onions rank among humanity's most ancient ingredients. They appear in ancient Egyptian artwork, early Greek medical manuscripts, and medieval European culinary records. However, while onions collectively possess this extensive, rich history, our two protagonists today, red onions and white onions, each carry their own distinctive narrative. Red onions appear bold and striking, almost like the mavericks of the produce department. White onions, conversely, appear straightforward and understated, like the type of ingredient that performs its function without demanding attention. But these selections matter significantly because the onion variety you employ can completely transform both the taste and even the visual appearance of a preparation. So which variety should you be utilizing, and under what circumstances? Let's examine thoroughly. Let's begin with what most individuals prioritize initially: flavor profile. Red onions are recognized for their gentle, marginally sweet taste when consumed raw. They still possess sharpness, but it's considerably mellower. That's precisely why you'll frequently encounter them in salads, hamburgers, tacos, and sandwiches. They contribute crunch and aromatic qualities without dominating everything else on the plate. Meanwhile, white onions deliver a more assertive, biting flavor character. They're sharper, more vibrant, and somewhat more aggressive on the palate. If red onions whisper their presence, white onions definitely announce themselves. This sharper flavor profile explains exactly why white onions feature prominently in recipes where you want the onion taste to be unmistakable, such as Mexican cuisine, salsa preparations, pickled vegetables, and dishes that depend on powerful aromatics. So regarding overall flavor characteristics, red onions equal milder and sweeter. White onions equal stronger and more pungent. Texture might not constitute the first consideration you contemplate, but it holds significance. Red onions tend toward firmness and crispness, rendering them ideal for raw applications. Their crunch maintains itself even when thinly sliced, and they provide a satisfying bite in fresh preparations. White onions are marginally softer, particularly once you apply heat. They break down more rapidly under cooking temperatures and integrate into dishes with less resistance. If you desire an onion that essentially disappears into a sauté or stew, white onions accomplish the task more quickly. In summary, red for raw crunchiness, white for accelerated cooking. If you appreciate the scientific angle behind your ingredients, here's where matters become intriguing. The pungency of an onion originates from sulfur compounds released when you slice into the cellular walls. These compounds contribute to the potent smell, the flavor intensity, and yes, even the lacrimation. White onions contain elevated sulfur levels on average. This explains why they're more pungent and why cutting them occasionally feels like receiving punishment for attempting to cook. Red onions, while still capable of inducing tears, have marginally less sulfur content and more natural sugars present. That's why they seem milder in character. Red onions also contain anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep purplish-red exterior layers. Anthocyanins aren't merely attractive, they're antioxidants with health benefits. And here's an interesting detail: they change coloration with pH levels. Add red onions to something acidic like lemon juice or vinegar, and you'll observe them brightening and turning pinkish in hue. So next time you're slicing onions and questioning why your eyes burn more intensely with one variety, now you understand it's pure chemistry at work. This represents the crucial consideration for most home cooks. When should you use red onions? Red onions perform optimally when they remain raw or receive minimal cooking. They're perfect for salads, tacos, sandwiches, hamburgers, ceviche, pickled preparations, Mediterranean cuisine, and toppings for grilled proteins. When cooked excessively, red onions forfeit their vibrancy and transform into a dull grayish coloration. They still taste excellent, but that beautiful ruby appearance vanishes. Consequently, if visual aesthetics matter, maintain them raw or quickly sautéed. When should you use white onions? White onions serve as go-to selections for robust flavors and rapid cooking applications. You'll commonly encounter them in salsas, Mexican preparations, soups, stir-fries, casseroles, sautéed aromatics, and dishes requiring punching flavor intensity. Their sharper taste profile stands up effectively against bold ingredients like tomatoes, chilies, vinegars, and spices. Additionally, they soften rapidly, blending seamlessly into cooked preparations without leaving distinct texture. You cannot dispute that red onions dominate the visual appeal competition. That vibrant purple coloration is eye-catching and instantly enhances the appearance of any dish. A salad bowl or hamburger appears far more appetizing with those colorful rings present. White onions, while plain in appearance, possess their own advantage: their neutrality. They integrate into dishes visually, which sometimes constitutes exactly what you desire. Not every meal requires chromatic contribution from onions. So ask yourself, do I want my onions to be visually prominent or not? Depending on your geographic location, red onions are frequently marginally more expensive, primarily because they're somewhat more challenging to cultivate and store properly. Their thinner skin doesn't protect them as effectively, and they bruise more readily. White onions, however, grow abundantly and store successfully, so they're typically cheaper and more extensively utilized in everyday cooking applications. It's one reason restaurants often stock white onions predominantly. They're economical and dependable. But for home cooks, the price differential is usually modest enough that it won't significantly impact your budget either way. Most individuals overlook onions because they're such fundamental ingredients. But once you comprehend the distinctions between red and white onions, their chemistry, flavor profiles, cultural applications, and how they behave under heat, you begin recognizing that selecting the appropriate onion can elevate a dish more substantially than you'd anticipate. Thank you for watching. If you have ideas for our next video, please share them in the comments section below. We'll make sure to acknowledge your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through stories behind everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.